In this episode of Let's Fry Everything, we will going to try and find out if we can air fry one of Filipinos' favorite dishes, the Lechon Kawali. Let's go! But before anything else, I'm Luis, your dimpled engineer, and this is my YouTube channel. Make sure that the Lechon Kawali is completely thawed and not frozen. Place your Lechon Kawali into the air fryer. And set the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Check it every 5 minutes to make sure that our Lechon Kawali is not overcooked, because we don't want to eat burnt pork, right? Now guys, after 25 minutes, our Lechon Kawali is cooked and ready to be served. Wow! Let's enjoy that crispy, juicy, and yummy Lechon Kawali that most Filipinos love. Let's eat! Lechon Kawali is best partnered with sarsa ni Mang Tomas. Let's eat, guys! Crunchy. Lechon Kawali, air fried, cooking the healthier way. If you find this video helpful, guys, kindly give me the thumbs up icon. And if you're not yet my subscriber, I would really appreciate it if you will subscribe to my channel and hit that notification